What is up boys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, you become the part of the fam. Today in this video we are going to unbox the stuff that we bought from China through AliExpress and Wish.com because people love to see others spend on stupid stuff and unbox for them. So a month ago I went online on AliExpress and Wish.com and searched through automotive section and ordered few stuff from both the sites.
A few inches later.
So let's get started now. Here's my trusty pair of scissors and here is the box full of car stuff. Let me tell you, this is not my first time buying all this stuff from China. I've already done this before, and if you want to see my previous installation videos, I'll put the links in the description. And if you want to see even older stuff and older posts, I'll put my Instagram over here. You can go and check it out. And if you want to see such videos in the future, then help your boy out by subscribing to my channel, liking all my videos. And now let's begin. So we'll start off by opening the smallest. Let me show you. We have around 7 or 8 items. So we'll begin by opening the smallest one. This is the smallest packet we have, and it says LEDs, 2 pieces of LEDs. So, oh yeah, we specific, these are 1157 types of LED bulbs. So I'll be using this to replace my halogen brake lights because these are brighter. And yeah, so if you want to see the difference, then I'll make a video for that. It also has a note. Let me see, what is this? So let me show you what it says. So wow, and let me give you a closer look. So this is how these look like. These look very unique, and I'm not pretty sure if they are going to be bright. So yeah, I'll surely test it out and I'll make a video for these. So moving on to the next item. So it feels very heavy. Let's see what is inside. I don't want to damage what is inside, so we have a toe strap because race car. So yeah, I bought this because I wanted to replace the one I already have on my car. So this is a OMP one, and it also comes with the hardware. The last one I bought, it didn't come with the hardware. There you go, a closer look. The stitching and all, and even the material looks very nice. And the hardware. So here is our next item. It says nuts and bolts. So these are washers. These are engine bay washers. It's just to make your engine bay look a lot more cleaner and a lot more nicer. I already have this on my car. I bought from my another car. So it says password JDM, but it's obviously not original because the original ones cost a lot. So let me give you a closer look. These also have JDM password engraved in them, and it actually looks legit. Okay, so moving to the next item. It says tools. Let's see what is inside. Okay, so these are trim removal because I'm planning to do something which you'll obviously see in a future video. That I need to take out my trim, and I didn't want to damage my trim, so I thought of buying these, and these cost like just $1 shipping. So let me give you a closer look. These are a pack of 4, and there you go. So here is another one. It again says LED lamp. Let's see. Oh wait, so here's the lamp. It is the T20 white LED lamp. I bought this for my SX4 for the reverse light because these are very bright and these look really cool than the yellowish halogen ones. I have these on my car and these are very bright, so that's why I'm using this for my other car too. They are very bright and these are 6000 kelvins, so these are pure white. Here is our next item. It says stickers. I'm not sure if it is a sticker. So it says sticker. Let's find out what is inside. Okay, so I had ordered this 5D carbon fiber vinyl wrap because I just wanted to see how the pattern looks, because in the pictures it was looking very nice. So I just ordered it as a test piece because I'm planning to wrap some of the trim pieces. This looks pretty nice. I'm quite impressed with the quality and it seems very nice. It actually looks like carbon fiber, and yeah, I'll test it out and I'll see how well it sticks on. Now moving on to the second last item, we're getting to the cool stuff, and it says card light. I'm sure what is inside, so let's unbox this. Here we have the push to start button flash panel. I have ordered this because I have a very funny issue in my car. The key barrel is actually becoming very loose. The key sometimes falls off the key barrel even when it's on the ignition position. The wiring inside have become really loose, so sometimes I have to wiggle in the key to turn on the accessories or the lights. So I've ordered this so that I might do a complete key barrel delete and just run on this. So let me give you a closer look. I've ordered this one because the 4-5 button one was kind of too much for me, and I don't want it to be the center of attraction in my car because I like my interior very clean. Soon going to install this, and if you want to see an installation video, then make sure to subscribe. Okay, so finally we are moving to the last item, and it is the real deal, and it is the one I have been waiting for since very long. And here we have is the box. I know what is inside and I'm very excited for this. Here's the box. Any guesses? We have a bubble wrap. Yay! But why it is empty? Okay, so here is the real deal. Ta-da! You must be thinking, what is this? So if you don't know, I have a complete exhaust. I have a complete head bag exhaust from headers to the end can, but it was not loud enough for me, so I bought this. This is an exhaust cutoff / exhaust bypass valve. So I'll be installing this after the resonator, because if I install it before the resonator, it will literally become open headers and it won't be any fun to drive. And it also comes with, let's see what else we have. Okay, so it comes with all the wirings. So this is the wire which goes from the motor to the inside, where you can plug it, where you can power it from the cigarette lighter, directly power it from the battery. So, and here's the gasket. It's a metal gasket, and so here's the motor and the flap. It feels very nice. It feels a very decent quality. And here are all the hardwares. And here's the last thing. This is probably the remote. So this is the remote to open and close the valve, and these are the rest of the wiring. So I am very excited for this. I just can't wait to get this on, and I'll soon be getting this installed, so hold on for that. And well, that's pretty much it. And let me just show you how beautiful the welds are on this piece right here. See how beautiful the welds are, and even stainless steel pipe. That was pretty much it for this unboxing video, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And again, if you want to see the installation videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, stay savage.